Calculate your basal metabolic rate, BMR. Determine the number of calories your body needs at rest. There are online calculators that can help with this. Link is given in the description to calculate BMR. Establish your daily caloric intake. Factor in your activity level and goals. If you want to lose weight, create a calorie deficit. If you want to gain weight, aim for a surplus. Protein is crucial for muscle repair and growth. Aim for 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Include sources like lean meats, dairy, eggs, and plant-based proteins. Distribute macros. Divide your daily calories into macronutrients, around 20 to 35% from fats, 45 to 65% from carbohydrates, and the rest from protein. 5. Choose whole foods. Prioritize whole, nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Minimize processed foods and sugary drinks. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health and performance. Meal timing. Aim for 3 to 6 smaller meals a day. Include a mix of protein, carbohydrates, and fats in each meal. Pre-workout nutrition. Consume a balanced meal 2 to 3 hours before exercising. Include complex carbs and protein for sustained energy. Post-workout nutrition. Have a meal or snack with protein and carbs within 30 to 60 minutes after exercising to aid recovery. Supplements. Consider supplements like whey protein, creatine, and multivitamins if needed. However, focus on getting nutrients from whole foods whenever possible. Monitor and adjust. Keep track of your progress and adjust your diet accordingly. If you're not seeing the desired results, reassess and make necessary changes.